Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Bifrost Wallet on your mobile device. So let's get started. To log into Bifrost Wallet, first, make sure to open up the Bifrost Wallet application on your mobile device. You'll then need to type in your PIN code as shown in the screen. Go ahead and type it in. When it comes to logging into your Bifrost wallet, you'll first need to make sure that you've backed up your recovery phrases. If you've already logged out of your Bifrost wallet and you don't know the secret recovery phrases, then sadly, you'll lose all of your funds and you will not be able to recover your wallet. So always make sure to keep a backup of your Bifrost wallet. Go ahead and tap the gear button at the bottom right and then under Settings, tap on Recovery Phrase. Type in your PIN code on the next page in order to view your recovery phrases. After you continue viewing your recovery phrases, make sure to keep a copy of the recovery phrases in the correct order. And once you have the backup with you, even if you've deleted your wallet, you can log into your Bifrost wallet anytime you want. Right after you open up your Bifrost wallet application, you'll end up in this page if you've recently logged out. To log in back to your wallet or to recover your wallet, tap on I already have a wallet button on the first interface appearing at the bottom. On the next page, agree to the legal terms and service by tapping I agree. Now, make sure to enter your recovery phrases in the correct order in the text box. Type in the words exactly as it appears in your backup, and after typing the 12 words recovery phrases in the correct order, tap on Restore at the bottom. Soon after you do that, it'll ask you to create a new PIN for your account. Type in the new PIN code, type it in again, and you'll be able to log into your Bifrost wallet with the help of your recovery phrases. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.